The oil life indicator on your Nissan Versa is a maintenance reminder system designed to track engine oil degradation. It monitors three key factors to estimate when your next oil change is due. This system considers mileage driven, driving conditions, and time elapsed since the last reset. The indicator appears on your dashboard display. Driving conditions significantly affect oil life. Extreme conditions, like frequent stops and starts or towing, reduce oil life faster than light freeway driving. When the oil life is low, you'll see messages like engine oil service due on your dashboard. This covers 2020 through 2025 Nissan Versa models. It's crucial to reset the oil life indicator after each genuine oil change. This ensures accurate monitoring and helps prevent potential engine damage from neglected maintenance. The oil life indicator on your Nissan Versa is a monitoring system that tracks engine oil degradation. It uses sensors to estimate when an oil change is due, based on factors like mileage, driving conditions, and time elapsed. This typically occurs every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or every 6 months, depending on your driving habits. As you drive, the oil life percentage decreases over time. When it reaches a low level, like 15 to 20%, the system warns you that an oil change is needed. Resetting the indicator after performing the oil change acknowledges the maintenance, resetting the timer, and clearing any active warnings. If you don't reset the indicator after an oil change, the system continues to show old warnings or inaccurate readings. This can cause you to delay needed maintenance, potentially leading to engine damage from degraded oil. Alternatively, you might see persistent false alerts, causing unnecessary concern or visits to service centers. Remember, while the oil life indicator is a helpful tool, it's based on estimates and doesn't replace regular oil level checks. Always visually inspect your oil levels and follow your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule to ensure long-term engine health. For Versa models without a touchscreen, turn the ignition to the on position, where the dash lights are illuminated, but the engine is off. Use the trip odometer button to cycle through the display options. Cycle through the display options until you find oil or maintenance due. Once selected, press and hold the same button for 5 to 10 seconds until the indicator resets. Verify the reset by cycling through the display again. For Versa models with touchscreen, typically SV and higher trims, begin by accessing your Nissan Connect system. Navigate to the Settings menu on your Nissan Connect system. Look for Vehicle Settings or Maintenance option. Select the Oil Life Reset option. The system will guide you through the reset process with on-screen prompts to confirm. If the reset fails, ensure the ignition is in the correct on position where the dash lights up, but the engine doesn't start. Double-check that you're holding the button long enough, typically 5 to 10 seconds, until the indicator resets. For touchscreen models, confirm you're navigating to the correct menu under Vehicle Settings and Maintenance. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions or see a qualified mechanic. Battery disconnections during service can sometimes cause errors, requiring a retry after the battery is reconnected. Auto experts, including those from AAA and Consumer Reports, unanimously recommend resetting the oil life indicator after every oil change to maintain vehicle health. While DIY resets are generally safe and praised for simplicity, be meticulous to avoid errors that could void warranties or lead to persistent warnings. Remember, the oil life indicator is an estimate based on sensors and should complement regular inspections. Actual oil condition should be assessed periodically to prevent engine damage. Nissan is increasingly integrating service reminders with apps like My Nissan, allowing owners to manage maintenance remotely. The Nissan Connect Services app provides similar functionality for models like the Rogue, with options for remote start, status updates, and maintenance scheduling. Looking ahead, future models will feature AI-driven systems that automate resets through over-the-air updates, reducing manual errors and making maintenance more convenient. While advanced features emerge, traditional manual resets will remain affordable for cost-conscious models. Many Versa owners successfully reset their oil life indicators themselves. For example, a 2023 model owner used the trip button on the dashboard after an oil change, clearing the warning and saving on dealership fees while improving fuel economy. However, some owners face challenges. One common pitfall is not holding the button long enough, causing the service light to remain on. In one case, a 2020 model owner had to retry the reset to fix this. Hybrid models like the Versa e-Power require special attention. Owners should ensure all components, including battery connections, are properly handled during resets to avoid errors. Remember, these experiences highlight the importance of following your specific model's reset procedure to avoid issues and ensure proper maintenance.